You gotta move your muscle. Brand new dance. It's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Yeah, kick, yeah, kick, yeah, kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself.
Good morning, Flyers, and welcome back to the Early Bird. I'm your host, Griffin, Yarmaloff, and alongside me, as always, is the man, Mr. Shea Curry.
What's up, guys? I'm not going to read the script. What's up, Griffin? What are we doing today?
Shea, I actually got you a gift. I got you a nice cold bottle of California citrus kombucha, like you asked for. But I also have 2 more bottles, because I realized you haven't had kombucha yet. So I think for today's Friday show, we're going to sit down and we're going to have you try some kombuchas for us, and you're going to rate them. Does that sound good?
I mean, yeah, sure. It kind of looks weird, but
It's going to be fantastic. All of this and more coming up on this episode of The Early Bird. So before we indulge, Shea, do you know anything about kombucha or what it is?
I know nothing whatsoever.
Okay, so kombucha is a fermented drink, kind of like in Minecraft when you can like ferment potions. It's a fermented drink that is commonly consumed for purposes of like health. There's like a bunch of health benefits, like supporting digestion and strengthening immune system. Any of this sounding like appealing to you?
Not really. My digestion is already like crazy good.
Well, you are going to be happy to know that there is there are billions of cultures of bacteria and yeast in each of these bottles. So this will help your immune system.
That sounds so tasty. No.
So we have strawberry, trilogy, and California citrus. So which one do you want to start with?
I want to save the California citrus for last.
Okay, so actually, I want you to open trilogy first. This is the original bottle. So make sure to shake it first, by the way.
Okay.
It has to, it has to
Let's
ferment.
I'll make sure you guys hear the clicks.
This
they
is like
hear the clicks.
carrot, ginger.
Okay, it fizzes. I did not know that.
Oh no, yeah, I was kidding when I said shake it.
You're a terrible
So
person.
this is like ginger, celery, and I think carrot for this one. So let me know once it like stopped fizzes and you can like take a sip. It won't spray. It's like
Okay.
There we go. Need some help?
Jesus. All right. What would you say this is?
This is like ginger, carrot, and kombucha culture.
Kombucha culture.
This is like the original flavor. Let's see how do you like it?
Huh.
Okay.
It's not terrible.
Okay. Can you taste any of like the ginger and like the?
I can taste the ginger.
Like any of the spiciness.
Maybe it's very spicy. It's like this actually isn't terrible.
I've been saying.
It just
this.
smells horrible.
It does smell like vinegar a little bit. You're right.
Is there vinegar in it?
No.
Okay.
Have some strawberry.
All right.
This one I feel like you might like a little bit better.
Again, make sure they hear the snap. Show that no one has touched it yet. Oh my God. What is with the fizz?
Yeah, the yeast makes it so that every time you reopen it, it just bubbles up again. So you don't want to shake it at all. It's very bad if you shake it.
Yeah, that one I shook really hard. Crazy.
All right, this one is strawberry serenity.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I like this one a lot.
Yes, yeah. That's like one of my
This one's
favorites.
cool. This one's cool.
It's like strawberry soda, honestly.
It is. It's like fizzy.
Yeah.
Yeah, like soda.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. It's kind of just like
Good though. Wait, how much?
It's 60 calories.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, right?
You know, I don't know how is like drinking bacteria and yeast healthy though. Like.
Yeah, very healthy. It like strengthens like your like body's like immune system very very well. All right, last one is like the one you were asking for. This is
the one I was curious about.
Yeah, this is orange and vanilla extract.
Because I can imagine drinking this one in the morning.
I've had this one a couple times. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I do find it is an interesting combination of flavors. I think you'll like it a lot.
All right, nice.
This is California citrus.
And fizzy there. Not bad.
It's pretty good.
Not bad.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. No, I could drink this one in the morning.
You feel like that's
Pretty
like
good.
that would be like your go-to out of these three? How would you like rank them? What do you think?
Okay, I'm gonna go California citrus number 1. I knew it. Number 2, we'll go strawberry, and number 3, the OG. I don't know why anyone even would drink this. That was
Yeah, this
terrible.
one is like a little like different. It's not as like flavorful as these two,
Yep.
but like these two are like strawberry and orange. Can't go
Yeah.
wrong.
Oh yeah.
So do you think you can find yourself drinking these in the future?
Probably not. But if you ever give me one, I could possibly drink it.
I might give you a California citrus in the future. Seems
Yeah.
like you like that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Shea has officially tried kombucha. Now live in the studio with the pledge is a DoorDasher.
This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Kick it over to the desk for announcements.
3 teams from FHS are going to compete at the Robotics Regionals competition tomorrow at Walsh, and if anyone tells you that they're on one of those 3 teams, you should wish them luck, because we're competing tomorrow. Good luck to all 3 teams.
BSU will be having a movie night today at 6:30 in room 800. Thank you.
Good morning, Flyers. Hey, I just wanted to say good morning. Happy Friday. I think it's so awesome that it's Friday. And I just want to let you know that I'm so excited that Junior Cotillo is happening on May 6th from 5 to 9 at the Warren Conference Center in Ashland on May 6th from 5 to 9. I think it's going to be so awesome. I just want to let you know that there's going to be dancing, food, and games. It's going to be indoor and outdoor. It's going to be super awesome. And we are selling tickets for it in E206 only after school every day in the entire month of March, and only FHS guests can attend, but tickets are starting at $85. However, they are going to be going up every week, so you're going to need to get your tickets like Monday next week. You got to be fast. So all of next week, it's going to be $85. Get your tickets then. It's going to be so epic. We can only accept cash or check made out to the city of Framingham. I can't wait to see you. Oh, should I go? Okay.
This Saturday, dance team has a competition at Worcester Tech High School. Doors open at 1. So if you can, please come out and support.
Professional before drinking the products. I'm sorry. That's all for today's episode of The Early Bird. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to watch it again, you can find it on our YouTube or in our Instagram bio at Framingham High Studios. On Monday, we're maskless. I can't wait to see all y'all faces. Me and Shea will be doing a face reveal this Monday. I'm so excited. Have a great Friday, FHS, and remember, the early bird gets the worm.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 익숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감